In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use Bitwarden folders step by step. Bitwarden is a fantastic password manager that helps you keep all your important credentials secure and organized in one place. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by the sheer number of login details, then creating folders in Bitwarden might just be the organizational tool you've been looking for. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Bitwarden website. Once you're there, the first thing you'll want to do is either log in if you already have an account, or sign up if you're new to Bitwarden. Logging in is straightforward, just enter your credentials and hit the login button. If you need to create a new account, follow the prompts to set up your account securely, making sure to choose a strong, unique master password. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here, look for the new button usually prominently displayed. Clicking on this will give you a few options. For our purposes, we're interested in creating a folder, so go ahead and click on the folder option. At this point, you'll be prompted to type in a name for your new folder. It's a good idea to use a name that makes it easily identifiable, such as work logins, personal accounts, or shopping sites, depending on what type of logins you plan to store there. Once you've settled on a name, click the Save button to create the folder. With your new folder ready, it's time to start adding items to it. Go back to your dashboard and click on New Item. This allows you to create a new entry that you can store in your folder. Begin by typing in the item's name. This could be the name of a website or the type of account, such as Amazon account or bank login. Next, click on the website field and enter the URL of the site related to this credential. This makes it easier to access the website directly from Bitwarden. If you have any pertinent information you'd like to remember about this login, such as security questions or secondary authentication details, click on Notes and enter that information there. Finishing up, hit the Save button to store your new item securely in Bitwarden. Repeat this process for any other logins you wish to add to your folder. Organizing your credentials with folders not only makes everything easier to find, but also adds an additional layer of control over how you manage your digital life. And there you have it. You've successfully created and utilized folders within Bitwarden. By doing so, you've taken a solid step towards better password management and security. Keep exploring all the features Bitwarden offers to maintain a seamless, protected online experience.